Hi, I'm Shanko.
And I am Arshita.
In this video, we are going to demonstrate the Raspberry Pi.
A Raspberry Pi is a credit card sized single board computer developed by the Raspberry Pi Foundation in UK. The main purpose of a Raspberry Pi was to teach computers to school children. There are four types of a Raspberry Pi: Model A, Model B, Model B Plus and Model 2.
In this video, we are going to use the Raspberry Pi Model V version, which is used by most people. Now, we'll show the components of the Raspberry Pi.
This is a Raspberry Pi.
So, this is the Raspberry Pi Model B version. These are the two USB ports. This is the Ethernet port. These are the GPIO pins. There are a total of 26 GPIO pins in a Raspberry Pi.
This is the video out which you can connect to your normal TVs. This is a 3.5 mm sound output which you can connect to your headphones or to the speakers. This is the HDMI out which you can use to connect to your monitors or LCD TVs. So there is a power jack, micro USB power jack, which is used to power the Raspberry Pi. You can use a normal phone charger with an output of 5 volts 700 mAh to power it.
A Raspberry Pi does not have a memory of its own. You have to insert an external SD card here.
Start.
Now, let us have a look at the components required for a Raspberry Pi B model to run.
Start.
This is the Raspberry Pi B version. These are the optional components and these are the basic components required to run your Raspberry Pi. This is the power source cable. You connect this end to this port and this end to any power supply source such as an adapter or your personal computer. For internet connection, you connect an Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port of your Raspberry Pi and this end to your router. As I already told you that the Raspberry Pi has no storage of its own, so you have to connect an external storage memory here. This is a 4 GB memory card that we are using. You can also use an 8 GB memory card for better performance. This is the HDMI cable that has to be connected here.
Start.
Coming to the optional components of a Raspberry Pi, this is the Wi-Fi adapter. Instead of an Ethernet cable, you can also use this Wi-Fi adapter for internet connection and connect it here. These are the jumper wires that have to be connected to the GPIO pin. Connect an LED to this end. Start.
So before getting started with the Raspberry Pi, we need to put the Raspbian OS into this memory card. Now we are going to show you how you want to put the Raspbian VZ OS into this SD card.